Gonna prep the Texas size Rhodes rolls for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna make them look like butterfly rolls. So I have a muffin pan, holds 12 muffins. I'm gonna spray each muffin pan or slot with Baker's Joy. You can also use Pam. I use Pam spray. Just gonna lift the edges up a little bit. Now you're gonna take 2 rolls and put them together, and they will hopefully fit down in the muffin slot. But before we do that, let's put some butter all over it. And we're gonna do this for each of the 12 slots, and then we'll cover it with saran wrap and put it in the fridge overnight. Then you bake them the day of your dinner. Now I usually just put butter on the top, but I really want these to be buttery, so I'm trying to get butter all over the rolls. And yes, my hands are clean. I need to get up there so we can keep them all being clean while switching in the rolls. The beet was my Instapot. I have eggs in there while I'm boiling them, so I can make some deviled eggs, or some people call them now angel eggs. And these little ridge parts, that's what you put together when you put them in the pan. You put the 2 ridge parts together. At least that's how I do it. And this is just Blue Bonnet margarine. Or if you want to use butter, you can use butter. goes in the fridge until you bake them the next day. And when you take them out the next day, and I will show this, I put them in my oven. I have a proof setting in my oven, and I put it in there while I'm working on the other prep for the food. And then this will be the last thing that I actually will bake / cook, because it's only going to take like 15-20 minutes, but I let them proof in the oven the next day. But that's it for right now.